Okay, the last part of this lecture is on the packaging and labeling of external liquid preparation. We have to be careful and to give sufficient warning to the patient so that they are aware that these are for external use only and not for ingestion. So usually the bottle that we use for external liquid preparation are bottle with fluted line, okay, to give the signal to the patient that this is for external use and not for ingestion. And the bottles are usually have a red color cap, okay, and a red color label to give more warning that this is not to be taken by mouth. We have to put on the label clearly that this product is for external use only, and for vaginal douche we have to put specific instruction that this is for vaginal use only, and also for enema we have to say this is for rectal use. As a pharmacist, we have to give sufficient warning to the patient during dispensing of the medication. We have to tell the patient that how should this product be used, because there are already cases that patient wrongly understood the pharmacist and used the product orally instead. So we have to be careful with this matter. In summary, we have to remember that external liquid preparation are to be used on body surfaces. There are different types of preparation for external use depending on the needs of the patient, and we as pharmacists have to explain clearly to the patient on the method of application. So thank you. That will be all for external liquid preparation lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.